Got a 2011 Land Rover Harmony Harman Cardon. I try to run the power through that, try to drill it. It's not working very well. It's got a double metal plate, so I'm not gonna try to do it. I do the first one, I stop and I look in the front. It's too much. So what I'm gonna be doing to do the firewall, I'm just gonna go to the bottom. I'm gonna run from the bottom right there. I'm gonna go out front and kind of show you where I'm gonna sneak it to. As you can see, I took the positive side out, and then this, it's kind of hard to see right there. I didn't have my light. Where's my light at? All right, my light is right there. So I'm gonna use a coat hanger if you don't have anything that I have like I got right there. It's the same thing. Poke it right, where's the camera's at? Right there. I'm gonna poke that through right there. Okay, and then it's going to the bottom, and then pull the wire. I got the loop right there. I'm just pull it through. So I ran the power wire underneath right there, but I'm gonna make a hole through here. So I'm gonna kind of pry this, cause this wire right there. Okay, so the wire is right back this way, as you can see that wire right there. So you want to scoot out a little bit out, and then make sure you're not hitting no wire. And then you want to screw it all the way to the bottom, and you want to make sure underneath here there's nothing in the, you know, no other wire or anything below it. Actually, I had to look down myself. This car is not fun at all. So let me see where I'm gonna make the hole at right there. Here's another piece to make a hole right there. That might work out right, but hey, I might do that right there. You see this? What is that going on right there? There's a whole thing right there that I can make. I'm gonna see if I can pry that out instead of make a hole right here.
I don't know if you can get back in it.
Yeah, I'm gonna check it out. Oh. Right there, right?
That's where you point.
Let me see if we can pry this out a little bit.
The carpet?
Yeah, go ahead. That's where all the other wire stuff right there and all crazy stuff in there. Let me see what is in there. You can see this thing is not easy at all. And yeah, I'm gonna just do it right here.
On the edge?
Yeah, on that edge. That's the only way. Can you light it up for me? Yep. I'm gonna make a hole right there. So guys, if you make a hole, just be careful. You got the white wire right underneath there too. So be careful. You'll be screwed. So look from the top.
You got what? Stuff in your way.
Yeah. So right there, that bit right there. So I'm not gonna touch the power. So that's good right there. I'm gonna make a hole right there. So now I can run the power wire through it after I cut it and put this plastic. Oh, I forgot the name of it. Push it through and pull it out from the top, and we are good. And I zip tied all of these. I ran the speaker wire right here so I can tap it to the subwoofer, which is the green and black, white. So I ran it right there, and I took the positive side out of the battery. I cannot move the seat, so seat's gonna move back about right here, so you're good. And then when you use a knife to do this right here, there's a lot of wire right there underneath here. Be careful, kind of lift it up a little bit. Put your hand inside, reach your hand inside this underneath this carpet and grab it and pull it back. This is one of the tough cars that I've been working on. I mean, this is probably, this is the first time I work on it, so it's not easy. I don't know where this is coming from. Oh, right here. Yep. And I got the power ran right there. I meant to go right here, but it's too much work. I already spent too much time on this already, and my unc is doing out here.
I didn't put that down.
So this one right here, yeah, this one, it's got that clip, that little clip, so you got to push it in to get in the hole and then hit it in. But be careful, you tap it, you can break it. So it's all in. I'm gonna cover all this thing back up. I need to
tighten her up.
Right here is a subwoofer. You will find a 15 is positive, which is green, and then 7 is the negative. So if you look at this side, you'll see that's 15 right there, that's green, and then the green white is the negative side. That's and then that's where I'm gonna run it to the line out converter. So I ran the speaker wire to the positive and negative right there. I don't have to do both sides. And then I got the remote output from here, and then I got the 12 volt right there, and then I got the ground to the amplifier right here. So that remote will go to turn on the amp right there, and then you got the bass output from here to the subwoofer. And then you got the speaker wire right there. The power that I ran from the battery goes straight to here, and then the ground that I ran down there by the seat right there. This car was pretty tough, and I did spend a lot of time on it, and yeah, it's not easy at all. So if you want to do it yourself, I would say yes, that's okay, but you're gonna at least spending hours on it, at least 3 or 4 hours, because that's what I spent. It's 3 to 4 hours trying to figure out how to get the through the firewall. So that was tough, and then the rest of them just still tough. So guys, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe below. Thank you.